Ywaruok muoch e kind moko kuom jokuny mula e gwenge mag Makalda e sub-county ma Nyatike kaunti ma Migori kod kambi kunyo mula e gwengego ka jokuny mula ywak ni onge ber malong'o ma giyudo. Moko kuom winjruok mane bedo e kind oganda gin ma oting'o neno ni kambi mar mula okonyo e neno ni oganda obedo kod pi, loso apeyni kod mamoko. Kata kamano, pogruok koro limbo e kind moko kuom oganda kod kambi mar kunyo mula.
Kwanza awali walikuwa wanasema wanaweza kujengea sisi kama shule au kuchimba maji, kufanya hivi na hivi, lakini kuanzia saa hii hakuna chenye wanafanya. Yes.
Kitu hawa China wametusaidia. Hawa China tuliomba hata school fee ya watoto hakuna, tuliomba maji mzuri ya kukunywa hakuna, tuliomba watutengenezee barabara hakuna. Hii mchanga ndio inatusaidia kama sisi wamama wajani. Hatuna watoto wetu wako shule.
If you know you are an investor, you want to invest in my area, you must do social corporate responsibility to my people. And if you are around to mingle, to exploit my people, to take away our minerals without leaving a single cent, you are not paying the government taxes, you are exploiting everything. That one I tell you, I will do a memo to the ministry. I will brief my Ebo Waziri 001 Joe. Exploitation to my people must stop.
Recently there was a demonstration for Gen Zs around, so somebody wanted to take advantage of that. Remove the Chinese must go. Chinese are investors. We are buying everything from them. They can come and invest in Kenya. They have every right. We don't